Hi everybody, my name is Evelyn Solorzano, and on this video I will be discussing different types of standardized testing and what I found connected to my prior knowledge, what I would like to extend in my way of thinking, and what I would like to challenge as a future educator. The definition of standardized test is a test that is administered and scored in a consistent or standard manner. Standardized tests are designed in such a way that the questions, conditions, or administering scoring procedures and interpretations are consistent and are administered and scored in a standard manner. There are three types of standardized tests. This includes achievement test, which measures the extent to which a person has acquired certain information or mastered identified skills. An aptitude test, which measures a potential to learn or develop proficiency in some areas. Aptitude tests are also measure the results of both general and incidental learning and predict future learning. Finally, there's an intelligence test, which are used to measure learning potential. After reading the chapter, some ideas that I connected with my prior knowledge are the achievement test and aptitude test. I've experienced these types of tests during my high school years. I remember taking the SATs and the FCAT, which is nowadays is known as the FSA. I can also relate to the AP testing, in which I remember taking our knowledge on what we had gained throughout the year. Something I would like to extend after completing the chapter is the wide variety of standardized tests there is available for the teacher to use in the classroom. For example, the chapter reflected on personality tests, which measures a person's tendency to behave in a particular way. There's types of tests that are usually administered on children with emotional problems. The one fact I found interesting was that this test is also administered to the parent as well. During the test, the child or both can answer the sets of true and false questions asked during the testing. I also found it interesting that no matter the type of test, all are psychological tests, no matter if it's measuring abilities, achievement, attitudes, values, or characteristics. The one thing I would like to challenge is the amount of stress that these tests cause, not only on student but on the teachers as well. How much does stress affect the outcome of these standardized tests? Are all results accurate? From personal experience, I've noticed how much these tests cause anxiety. During my daughter's third year of elementary school, she had to deal with the FSA, which is a test that tests your knowledge on math and reading comprehension. I saw firsthand how much the thought of not passing this test made her worry, and she was very anxious and stressed out as a third grader. And then on top of her being stressed out as a parent, I was stressed out too because I wanted my child to do good. So she knew that if she didn't pass the test, she was going to be retained and not go on to the next level. So that was something that she had to carry around her shoulders for the whole year. Fortunately she was able to pass, but just dealing with this firsthand is it shows you how much stress it puts a person in, just because you want to be able to do good, and knowing that it's timed related, and you have a certain amount of time to complete the test, that also affects you as well. So basically but is it fair? Now then I ask myself, is it fair to put this type of stress at such a young age? Also, will these tests change in the future? For example, I had to worry about the FCAT in high school, and now in third grade, they have to worry about the FSA. So the one question that I would really love to challenge is how will these types of tests change throughout the year? So thank you. I hope you enjoyed my video.